Hi friends, welcome to my channel Turn Right. This is a video from 2017 where we have started a trip starting from Bangalore all the way to Coorg, Thalassery, Wayanad, Kabini and back to Bangalore. This was a time period of 3 days over a long weekend from Bangalore. So keep watching. First stop was Namtroling Monastery, which is around 220 kilometers from Bangalore. Next, we headed straight towards Coorg, the Switzerland of India. Mandalpatti, situated at an altitude of around 4050 feet, is a hilltop 18 kilometers from the town of Madhegiri in Karnataka and is a part of Pushpagiri Reserve Forest. Mandalpatti has become a famous 4x4 jeep drive spot to the top. It is one of the favorite drives for road trips from Bangalore. Coorg, we have covered places like Mandalpatti, Abbey Falls, Thalassery, and then started our trip towards Kerala. From Madhegiri to Kerala, we have covered places like deep forest, hills, all the way down to the sea. First stop in Kerala is in Thalassery. We checked in Hotel Victoria, which is adjacent to the sea. The morning view from the hotel balconies were mesmerizing. After the quick breakfast, we headed towards Murapilangad Drive-In Beach. It is a beach in the state Kerala in southwestern India. It is located parallel to National Highway 66 between Thalassery and Kannur. This beach is the longest drive-in beach in Asia and is featured among top 6 best beaches for driving in the world. Next stop, Kappad Beach, is a beach near Kozhikode in the district with the same name, Kerala, India. A stone monument installed by government commemorates the landing of Vasco da Gama in the year of 1498. We started climbing up the Western Ghats again, leaving behind the seashore of Kozhikode. Next stop will be Kalpetta, Wayanad. Due to time constraint, we couldn't visit places like Meenamati waterfall and Banasura Dam in Wayanad. So we headed straight towards Kabini river, crossing a lustrous green forest of Nagahole. The Kasbini river is also called Kabini or Kapila river, is one of the major tributaries of the river Kaveri in southern India. It originates in the Wayanad district of Kerala by the confluence of Panamaram river and the Mananthavadi river. It flows eastward to join the Kaveri river in Tirumakundalu Narasirapura in Karnataka. Close to the town of Sargur, it forms a huge Kabini reservoir. The backwaters of the Kabini reservoir are very rich in wildlife, especially in summer when the water level recedes to form rich grassy meadows. After a very tiring climb up from the riverbank of Kabini, we had lunch at the roadside dhaba in a Kerala style cuisine. After that, we started our journey back to Bangalore. In the whole trip, we covered around 956 kilometers from and to Bangalore. If you find this video interesting and informative, subscribe to my channel for other such videos. Till then, goodbye.